Today I want to show you how to turn any data or analysis that you've done into an API and an endpoint that you can call anywhere from Fused. So if you follow the previous example where I walk through what File Explorer is and how to use it, you're familiar with this data set from Source Co-op. It's just energy performance certificates for different cities. Now, what I did is I brought in two different files from two different cities, one from Bristol and one from Bath. The only reason is because there are two cities that are close to each other, so it's very easy to demo. I've asked the AI to be able to join them, show them on the map, and return them. And now I'm filtering them based on their current energy rating. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to make sure I'm going to clear the chat. I'm only going to keep points that have an energy rating that is above A. So the AI is going to be able to do this, and now I only have just a few points. I want to keep this and I want to export it out somewhere else, but I'm not sure if I'm done with this analysis. So I don't want to save it as a file. What I can do is I can come here and I can just save this. Now, if I'm in the simplified view, something very simple that I can do is there's directly a share button here. So if I click that, I basically get a table of just the data that I have here. Now, this is a HTML render, but I can go in and I can change this to whatever I want. So if I go in the bar at the top and I ask for a JSON, I will get this data directly as a JSON. And now you can see this is what I want. If I come back and I say, actually also keep B, it will edit the code. It will also return points that have B. And now I have B and A. And if I click on share, or if I come back here and I update my URL, I'm going to hit that endpoint again with the latest changes that I've done. And we can see here, if I print, there's going to be also B. So this means that I can do an analysis, explore some data, join it, figure out what I'm doing, but I still have it just directly deployed as an endpoint. If you want a little bit more control, you can come to the advanced view here. You go in the settings page, and here you can have a whole bunch of different output types. So HTTP, but you also can call it from Python directly, and you can change what you want the output type to be. So for raster images, it can be PNG, TIFF, or for vector, you have a whole host of different output formats. This gives you a whole lot of control and the ability to work on your data, do your analysis, and as you go, just with one, this gives you a whole bunch of control and allows you to save your analysis, and with just clicking save, you're able to deploy your changes. You've basically turned your data and your analysis into an API. If you want a map, if you want data to be hosted and rendered on another service or a front end or something like that, you don't need to think about deployment. That's exactly what we do for you. That's how you turn your data and your analysis into an endpoint. That's it for today. I'll see you next time.